And welcome to a new video of human-made garden plants. In the previous video of this one, I will show you the link in the description. I separated these Sempervivum plants in a bigger pot so that they can produce little baby Sempervivums. And as you can see, they are growing very good. They're all turning red from the sun, so that's pretty. And you can also see a little bit of baby Sempervivums in here. I will show you in a second. There was a snail bite of my Sempervivum, so that's what's left from it. We are now a couple of days further and you can see here little baby Sempervivums. I will show you right here. These are babies and these will plant themselves, so that's easy. You don't have to do anything. You can also cut those off to make your own cuttings. Now we are a few days further and you can see the babies are still growing very fast, as you can see there. They're all going to the ground on themselves, so you don't have to do anything. But you can cut them off if you want to, if you don't want more, of course. But they're all beautiful red now in the sun. And we are a couple of days further now again. You can see the babies are growing. These ones are touching the ground now, so they plant themselves, so you don't have to do anything. And these babies are growing too. There's a lot more babies in here. You can see here, this one is also touching the ground. These ones are growing. There are a lot of babies, a lot. And this is the final result from this year. You can see they have grown a lot and there's a couple more in there now. So that's great. I find that very beautiful. And then I'm thanking you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.